Okay, so it's my Honda Civic. Intermittent no start. Some bitch wouldn't start the store today. So I'm pretty sure it's the master control relay. It's got a new distributor on it. If you look right here, you won't be able to see it. There's a crack in this solder joint, crack in this solder joint. I don't have a soldering iron or a lot of my tools because I'm at my lake house. But I got a tie-flying clamp here, propane torch, needle nose pliers, and a very small nail. I'm going to heat this nail up cherry hot. Then I'm just going to blend in the solder that's here to fix the two cracks I have in two different solder joints that actually connect to the high voltage contacts on my relay, which I don't think it's my fuel pump relay. I think it's the PGM relay. The computer probably controls the spark and stuff, so I know I'm getting fuel because I can hear the fuel pump run. So it's a pretty common item on these 99 Civics. It's just my little puddle jumper car. I take this to Columbus and back, so I don't have to use my damn gas guzzling truck because I'm on vacation. Of course, I'm broke down on vacation, but it'll start even if I don't fix this, and I ain't worried about it. But once it gets hot, like if I go in the store and stop, it will open and it will not start. This connection will open. So I'm going to go ahead and close it with these pretty primitive tools. Miniature tie-flying clamp. Grandpa, God rest your soul. You hooked my ass up. Propane, torch tip, needle nose pliers, and a nail. I ain't gonna be able to get in a video of this because I'm kind of holding this by myself, but I think y'all get the gist. I really don't need to show you how to solder. I'm sure you guys have got enough soldering videos out there, but in a pinch, you broke down the Civic 99, intermittent no start. This is the culprit.